In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Wix website without publishing it. This is a great option if you're looking to get feedback from colleagues, clients, or friends before making your site live for the world to see. Sharing your website in this way allows others to view your work in progress and offer valuable input without you needing to officially launch the site. It's an efficient and easy way to collaborate and make improvements. So whether you're building a personal portfolio, a business website, or just exploring Wix's powerful tools, this step-by-step process will help you share your work seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account. Once you're in, select the website you want to share from your dashboard. If you have multiple projects in progress, make sure to choose the correct one. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're working on the right site, especially if you're managing several designs at once. After selecting your website, open the Wix Editor for that specific site. The Wix Editor is where you have all the tools to customize your design, add content, and get creative. It's also where you'll find the option to share your site without publishing it. Once the editor loads, you'll be ready for the next step. Now, take a look at the top menu bar within the editor. This menu is where Wix organizes a lot of its key features and settings. It's located at the very top of your screen. You'll see several options there, such as File, Tools, and Help, but the one we're focused on today is labeled Site. Click on the Site option in the top menu bar. This will open up a drop-down menu with several choices. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says Get Feedback. This feature is specifically designed for situations where you want to share your work in progress site with others without publishing it. Once you click on Get Feedback, Wix will generate a special link for your site. This link is what allows others to view your design without it going live. You'll notice a Copy Link button appear on your screen. Go ahead and click that button. This will copy the feedback link directly to your clipboard, making it easy to share with others. Now that you have the link copied, you can share it through whatever method works best for you. You could paste it into an email and send it to a client or collaborator. Alternatively, you might want to share it via a messaging app or a collaboration platform like Slack, Teams, or Trello. The choice is yours. Just make sure you're sending it to the right people who you want to review your site. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully shared your Wix website without publishing it. This is a fantastic way to gather feedback and make adjustments before taking your site live. Remember, the people you share the link with will only be able to view the site and provide feedback. They won't have access to edit your design or settings. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.